Hello, this is Mr. Roush, and here's your lesson for Module 12.1, two-way frequency tables. Our essential question is, how can categorical data for two categories be summarized? So we talked a little bit earlier yesterday about data can be quantitative or categorical. Quantitative has to do with numbers, categorical has to do with categories, with not numbers. So if we look at A, circle the categorical data variable, justify your choice. Temperature can be written as numbers, weight can be written as numbers, height can be written as numbers, but color cannot be written as a number. Same thing with part B. We have large, medium, small would be categorical. And then the 120 square feet, 130 square feet, 140 square feet is quantitative. It is quantitative. Okay, so for part C, we have a frequency table. A frequency is how often something occurs. So if we look, we have the way that they go. We have bus, car, or walk. And the frequency, I'm just going to go through the table here and just put a line or a tally mark every time they do that. So we have a bus, car, walk, car, bus, walk, bus, car, bus, walk, bus, car. So if we just total those up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 walkers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that travel in a car, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that ride the bus. So a good way to figure out if you're correct is we can do 8 plus 7 plus 5 is 20, and we can look at our ways to get to school, and there are 20 ways there. How did you determine the number for each category in the frequency column? We counted from the table. What must be true about the sum of the frequencies? They have to be the same. So adding these up, you get 20. Adding those up, you get 20, so they must be the same. Okay, so now we have to construct a two-way frequency table. So if you look at our two ways, the first way is preferred pet, and the other way is the gender, boy or girl. So it says, Jenna asked 40 randomly selected students whether they prefer dogs, cats, or other as pets. She also recorded the gender of each student. The results are shown in the two-way frequency table below. Each gender is the frequency of students who prefer a certain pet and are a certain gender. For instance, 8 girls prefer dogs as pets. So here's your girl, dog, there's your 8. So what we have to do is total up the rows. So remember, the rows go left to right, columns go up and down. If you want to think about like the Greek columns, they go up and down. So 8 plus 7 plus 1 is 16. 10 plus 5 plus 9 is 24. And then you can add going across, you can add up and down, and then the total number that we have is 40. That's your grand total. So if you look at the table here, complete the two-way frequency table. So this is where you can pause the video and you can complete it. But we have 19 plus 22 is 41. 12 plus 9, 21. 23 plus 18 is 38. Now when we add those going across, you're going to get your grand total. So 41 plus 21 is 62, plus 38 is 100. Now if we add these going up across, we have 19 plus 12 plus 23. So we got 19 plus 12 plus 23 is going to be 54. And then the 10th grade, we're just going to go 22 plus 9 plus 15 is 46. That's all you have to do for this. So sometimes you have to read the table. This is kind of like filling out a puzzle, like doing like a Sudoku type puzzle or something. Wordle sort of as well. So it says 100, so if we look at example 2, 100 students were surveyed. Which is your grand total? Surveyed about which beverage they chose at lunch. The results shown in the two-way frequency table. Fill in the missing information. So if there's 100 total, if there's 60 boys, we have to have 40 girls. Now we can add the columns going up and down, like juice. We have 10 plus 15 is 25. For water, we can add those up. 17 plus 21 is 38. Now to figure out the milk, it's going to have to be juice plus milk plus water equals 40. So I can do 40 minus 10 minus 17 is 13. Now 13 plus 24 is 37. The best way to double check is going to be 25 plus 37 plus 38, and that equals 100. So that works out. And here's all your answers right there. So we're going to let you guys fill in the your turn on number 6. So I would start off, it says 100 students were surveyed about whether they play video games. So your genders are boy or girl, so we have 100. Now the boy total, if there's 53 girls, there has to be 47. So to figure out if the boys play video games, you can do 47 minus 9, which is 38. And then plus 34 is, so 72 people, boy or girl, play video games out of 100. Then we have 19 plus 9 is 28. So if we add those up, you get 100. So that's all I have for this video. Stay tuned. I will get you the module 12.2 right after that. Thank you.